Samsung reveals AI across devices at CES 2024. At CES 2024, Samsung unveiled their vision for AI for all, bringing artificial intelligence to more devices for smarter, more personalized experiences. Samsung's new Neo Q LED 8K TV has an upgraded AI processor to upscale content to 8000 quality and sharpen fast motion. The TV's active voice amplifier uses AI to optimize audio based on your environment. The rolling robot Bolly returns with enhanced AI to interact with other devices. It can display info on walls and assist with tasks. In the kitchen, Samsung's new Ford or refrigerator has a built-in camera that recognizes food items using AI. It suggests recipes and reminds you when food will expire to reduce waste. The Anyplace induction cooktop pairs with Samsung's Food app so you can send recipes to the display and easily follow along. The bespoke AI laundry combo washer, dryer features an AI hub display. It learns your habits and suggests cycles to simplify laundry. Even the new JetBot vacuum utilizes AI object recognition to identify more items and stains for a smarter clean. It automatically detects floor types and adjusts its setting accordingly. Across TVs, robots, appliances, and more, Samsung is infusing AI for more intuitive and personalized experiences. They aim to make connected homes safer, more inclusive, and energy efficient through AI innovation. CES 2024 provided a glimpse into our AI-powered future, with Samsung leading the charge to put intelligence into everyday devices.